how to make your boo or significant other a tax write-off. 9 out of 10 times, if you are out to dinner with your boo or your significant other, you are going to be discussing business. You're talking about issues you're having with your business. You're trying to come up with different ideas for maybe marketing, different strategies. So 9 out of 10 times, if your spouse or your boo is either another business owner, is in your business, has great business advice, or you can kind of use them as a sounding board, you're normally discussing business at dinner. If you keep your receipt and you write on the back of the receipt the person you had dinner with and what about business was discussed, then that meal is now a tax write-off. However, the expense has to be ordinary and necessary, right? Ordinary meaning in the normal course of your industry, you would have had this meeting. Okay, so maybe going to $1 million restaurant, having an $8,000 bottle of wine, that's not customary for what a business owner would do who's making $100,000 a year. Okay, so the dinner has to be ordinary for your type of industry and what it is that you're doing. And necessary meaning I can't go to Mars to have this dinner when I could have had it here in the US. So what is a necessary expense for my business? See you at the bank.